Good morning, students. Last time we saw multiplication of binomial by binomial. Today we are going to learn regarding multiplication of binomial by trinomial. What is meant by binomial? Last time I have taught you. Any algebraic expressions having two terms with plus or minus sign is called as binomial. What is meant by trinomial? Any algebraic expressions having three terms with plus or minus sign in between them is called trinomials. Today we are going to see multiplication of binomials by trinomials. Let us take one example. Example 1. A plus B. What type of term it is? It is a binomial term because two terms are there. It is a binomial expression having two terms with plus or minus sign in between. 2a plus 3b minus 8c. What is this expression? It is a trinomial because it has three terms with plus or minus sign in between. How to do the multiplication of this? We are going to do by the process of distributive property. What is this distributive property? The first term of the binomial will be taken and multiplied with all the terms of the trinomial. Then the second term of the binomial will be multiplied with all the terms of the trinomial. So, we will see. Let us take the distributive property. A in the bracket 2a plus 3b minus 8c plus b in the bracket 2a plus 3b minus 8c. So, we are using distributive property. What is meant by distributive property? A number is distributed equally with the other terms. Here, A is distributed with the trinomial and B is distributed with the trinomial with plus sign in between them. Now we have to remove from the bracket. So what will be the answer? A into 2A plus sign will remain as it is. A into 3B plus into minus is minus. A into 8C. Then what sign is there? Plus. B will multiply with 2A. B into 2A plus will remain as it is. B into 3B plus into minus is minus, b into 8c. So this is multiplication of monomials. I have already taught you what is meant by multiplication of monomials. Here, what is there? 1 is the constant. So 1 into 2. So 1 into 2 into a plus. Here 1 into 3 into a into b minus 1 into 8 into a into c plus 1 into 2 into b into a, then plus 1 into 3 into b into b, then plus 1 into 8 into b into c. This is what we call it as the monomial multiplication. What shall we get when we multiply? 1 into 2 is 2. A into a is a square. Plus sign remains as it is. 1 into 3 is 3. A into b is ab. Minus sign remains as it is. 1 into 8 is 8. A into c is ac. Plus sign remains as it is. 1 into 2 is 2. B into a is ab. Then plus sign remains as it is. 1 into 3 is 3. B into b is b square. Plus sign remains as it is. 1 into 8 is 8. B into c is bc. In this, let us find out whether we have like terms or not. AB and AB is like terms. So, like terms can be added. So, 2a square remains as it is. Plus 3ab plus 2ab. 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. So 5ab minus 8ac plus 8bc plus 3b square. So this is the answer what you will get. So this is multiplication of binomial by trinomial. Let us see one more example and then we will go to the exercise. Second example let us see. So example 2. plus y in the bracket 2x plus 3y minus 7. So a binomial and a trinomial. X should be distributed with the trinomial and y also should be distributed with the trinomial. So what shall we do? X in the bracket 2x plus 3y minus 7. What sign is there? Plus. Y in the bracket 2x plus 3y minus 7. So this is what we call it as distributive property. Now we have to remove from the bracket. So what shall we do? X into 2x, correct. What sign is there? Plus. X into 3y. Then what sign is there? Minus. X into 7. Then plus sign. Y into 2x. Then plus 3y into y. Plus into minus is minus 7 into y. Now let us multiply. Nothing is there means 1 is there. 1 into 2 is 2. X into x is x square. Plus 1 into 3 is 3. X into y is 3xy. Minus 7 into x is 7x. Plus 1 into 2 is 2. 2xy. Plus 3 into 1 is 3. Y into y is y square. Minus 7xy. Now here you can find out which are the like terms. 3xy, 2xy and 7xy are the like terms. So what we have to do? We have to keep it together. So what shall we get at that time? Plus 3xy plus 2xy. 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. So plus 5xy minus 7x minus 7y. This is your answer. So children, you came to know how to do the sums based on binomial by a trinomial. Let us go to the exercise. Last time we solved the exercise, that is exercise 6.4. The same exercise I am going to take. In that exercise only the binomial by binomial and binomial by trinomial is given. First main I did, second main and third main I have to do. So let us take the second main. Find the product. Find the product. That is the second main. Let us see in that what is given. A square plus b in the bracket. A plus b square. That is the sum given to you. Again this is binomial by binomial. Last time I taught you. Take the first term of the first binomial, multiply with the second binomial. Second term of the first binomial, multiply with the second binomial. So what it will become? A square in the bracket, a plus b square plus b in the bracket, a plus b square. Now we have to remove from the bracket. A square into a plus a into b square plus b into a plus b into b square. A square into a 3 times, so a to the power of 3 plus ab square plus ab plus b cube plus a. So this is the answer what you shall get when you multiply a square plus b in the bracket a plus b square. So a square should be multiplied with a plus b square, b should be multiplied with a plus b square. So a square into a is a cube, a square into b square is a square b square, b into a is ab, b into b square is b cube. So this is your answer. So came to know children how to find out. In that same second main, I will see the next one. P square minus q square, that is the fourth sum. P square minus q square in the bracket 2p plus q. Same binomial by binomial. Take the first term of the first binomial, multiply with the two terms of the second binomial. What sign is there? Minus. Take the second term of the first binomial, multiply with the second binomial. Now we will remove from the bracket. P square into 2p. P square into 2p. Plus sign will remain as it is. P square into q minus q square into 2p minus q square into q. How we got minus? Minus into plus is equal to minus. P square into 2p is 2p to the power of 3 plus p square q minus 2pq square minus qq. This is the answer, binomial by binomial. We'll go to the third main in the same exercise. What does the third main says? Third main says simplify. Simplify means using the distributive property, you have to remove from the bracket and finally you will get the answer. Let us see the first sum, what is given. First, x square minus 5, x plus 5, x square minus 5, x plus 5 plus 25. It's very simple. Plus 25 is the constant, we will keep it as it is. This too we will take the distributive property. So x square in the bracket x plus 5 minus 5 in the bracket x plus 5 plus 25 will remain as it is. Now we will remove from the bracket x square into x plus x square into 5 minus 5 into x, minus into plus is minus, 5 into 5 plus 25. Again we will remove x square into x is what? X cube plus 5x square minus 5x minus 25 plus 25. In mathematics one rule is there. Same constant, one is plus and another is minus, it gets cancelled. So minus 25 plus 25 get cancelled. So your answer is x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. That is your answer. So simplify, you came to know how to do it. Simplification is done by this way. Let us see the next sum which is given to you. So I am going to do the sum number 4. A plus B in the bracket, C minus D in the bracket, plus A minus B in the bracket into C plus D in the bracket plus 2 in the bracket AC plus BD. This is the sum. So here for this too we are going to put the distributive property. For this too we are going to take the distributive property. Just we have to, the last we have to just remove from the bracket. So what the distributive property says? A in the bracket C minus D plus B in the bracket C minus D. Again for these two distributive property, A in the bracket C plus D minus B in the bracket C plus D. We will remove from the bracket plus 2AC plus 2BD. 2 you have to multiply with AC and 2 you have to multiply with BD. That is what we are going to do. Now let us remove from the bracket A into C minus A into D plus B into C minus B into D plus A into C plus A into D minus B into C plus B into D plus 2AC plus 2BD. Okay. Now, A into C is what? AC. A into D is what? AD. B into C is what? BC. B into D is what? BD. A into C is what? AC. A into D is what? AD. B into C is what? BC. B into D is what? BD. Plus 2AC plus 2BD. Let us see the like terms. Plus AC is there. So plus AC plus AC. Minus AD plus AD, I told you, two like terms with one positive, one negative, it gets cancelled. Plus BC minus BC gets cancelled. Minus BD plus BD will get cancelled. So plus AC, then plus 2AC plus 2BD. Plus 2BD. So, what will we get? 2AC plus 2AC plus 2BD is equal to 2 plus 2 is 4, like term. 4AC plus 2BD is your answer. So, came to know how to do it. This we call it as what? Multiply, simplify. Now, one more sum we will see regarding this simplification. That is binomial by trinomial. That sum we will see. So that is sum number sum number 6. What is the sum number 6 tells? Let us see. X plus y is given in the bracket x square minus xy plus y square. So distributive property. So x in the bracket x square minus xy plus y square plus y square in the bracket x square minus xy plus y square. What shall we do? Remove from the bracket. X into x square plus into minus is minus, x into xy plus into plus is plus, xy square plus into plus is plus, y square x square plus into minus is minus, y square into xy plus into plus is plus, y square into y square. X into x square is what? X to the power of 3 minus x square y plus xy square plus x square y square minus xy cube plus y to the power of 4. There are no like terms. So the answer will be this. So came to know how to multiply binomial by binomial and monomial by monomial. And the last sum I am going to do, that is sum number 7. How to do, I will show you, because it has a decimal point. In third main only simplify, it has a decimal point. So how we are going to multiply with decimal point? 1.5x minus 4y in the bracket. Another one is 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 bracket over. Then minus 4.5x plus 12y. So big sum it is. Let us try to solve it. This is binomial by trinomial. So we are going to use distributive property. What is the distributive property once again? 1.5x multiplied with 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 over minus 4y multiplied with 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. This will remain as it is. There is no change because plus sign is there. We cannot multiply it. 1.5x into 1.5x 1.5x into 1.5x plus sign 1.5x into 4y plus sign 1.5x into 3, then minus 4y into 1.5x minus 4y into 4y, then minus 4y into 3, minus 4.5x plus 12y will remain as it is. Now what shall we do? How to do now further? 1.5 into 1.5. Already you have learned regarding squares. 15 square is how much? 225. How many place of decimal? 2 place of decimal. So 2.25x square. X into x. Plus sign. 1.5 into 4. 15 4s are 16. 6.0 x1. Plus sign. 1.5 into 3, 15 3s are 45, 1 place of decimal plus 4.5x minus sign. 4 into 1.5 or 15 4s are minus 6.0 xy. Y into x or x into y, it is one and the same. Minus 4 4s are 16 y square minus 4.5x plus 12y. See the like terms. Plus 4.5x minus 4.5x cancel. Why? I told you the reason. Same constant, same variable with plus or minus sign, it will get cancelled. See, one more will cancel. Plus 6.0xy minus 6.0xy, that also get cancelled. So what remains? 25x square minus 16y square plus 12y. So your final answer is 25x square plus minus 16y square plus 12y. This is what is your answer. So came to know how to do 2.25x square minus 16y square plus 12y. That is what. So this ends our exercise 6.4. After this, there is a small topic in this, and the chapter will be over, which is called as identity. What do you mean by identity? Identity is nothing but it is a form of an equation where the left hand side should become equal to right hand side, and if you substitute whatever the values for all the values, the equation should be equivalent. LHS should become equal to RHS. Such an equation is called as an identity. So identity is what? Where LHS should become equal to RHS for all the values. Whatever the values you apply, for all the values, LHS should become equal to RHS. Then such a statement is called as an identity. For example, a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the standard identity. What does it mean? If I take value of a, if I take value of b, if I substitute it, then LHS should become equal to RHS. Let us take an example. So what example will take over here? First example, 2x plus 3y the whole square is equal to. Okay, so 2x plus 3y the whole square. So first term is a is 2x and b is 3y. What does it mean? That wherever a is there, you substitute as 2x. Wherever b is there, you substitute as 3y. So in place of this, I can write it down. 2x the whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3y plus 3y the whole square. 2x the whole square means what? You have already learned it square. Now, what is meant by 2 square? 2 should be multiplied 2 times. What is meant by 4 square? 4 into 4. What is meant by x the whole square? X into x. So here also 2x the whole square means 2x into 2x. 2 2s are 4 x square plus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 xy plus 3 3s are 9, 9y square. Such statements where you substitute any values for a and b, it becomes true. That is, LHS will become equal to RHS. That is called as, what is called as identity. So came to know what is meant by identity. A statement where LHS becomes equal to RHS.